How to fix can't follow anyone on TikTok. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix this issue. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your TikTok application and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, all you need to do here is go to your profile section at the bottom right corner. And make sure that you haven't exceeded the following limit. So TikTok has a certain amount of people that you can follow, and beyond that, you're not able to follow anyone. So in order to do that, you're going to have to unfollow some people and then follow it back again. But if you have not clearly exceeded that limit, then in that case, go to your account settings, tap on the three lines, go to settings and privacy, scroll down until you find free up space. Tap on it. Now you're going to have to clear cache. And if you want, you could also try to clear your downloads data. So once that is done, just go back and restart your application. I'm just going to quickly restart. Then open your TikTok again. Now tap on your profile. Once that is done, you just need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because sometimes if you don't, it might be causing the issue. So if you're on Wi-Fi, try switching over to data, and if you're on mobile data, try switching over to Wi-Fi. Once that is done, you could also try to see there are some help articles from TikTok. So go to privacy and settings and privacy, scroll down, find support, and then from here you can see help center. Now there are quite a few articles that you can find here, so you just search for can't follow, type something like this, and it will show you the related article. So you can see from here if something is helpful, but if not, then you can just go back to report a problem. Tap on report and then scroll all the way to the bottom to submit a report. Now you're going to just type in saying that you can't follow anyone even though you haven't violated any community rules. Then just tap on send. You could also add a screenshot if you want. And TikTok will look over your support request and then follow back with a solution. That's it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.